Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to play simple bass progressions for the song Asempapa Bi Amate. It's a very popular song in Ghana and across Ghana. Just a simple way to help you understand and then play better notes. Remember, when you want to play a high life song, what you have to do is to know the progression that particular song is being performed. That is being determined by the bass, figured bass. So what you have to do is, first of all, you should know your chord progressions: chord 1, chord 2, chord 3, chord 4, chord 5, chord 6, chord 7, and then chord 1 octave higher. Okay, so working with your chord progressions, Asempapa Bi Amate is a very popular song, like I said. So even if you don't know anything, you don't know how to play any song, that particular song you must play and play it better, because everywhere you go, people are singing. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's start. Asempapa Bi Amate. So first of all, the chord has, I think, 3 progressions and other passing notes, but let's focus on the progressions. It takes chord 1, chord 4, chord 4, then chord 5, then back to chord 1. Okay, so Asempapa. Okay, so 1, you don't have to struggle, or you don't have to worry yourself thinking of how to play better bass lines. What you have to do is play within the progressions of the song and then fill in. For instance, you know this is chord 1, and chord 1 always goes with what? This. So chord 1, you have a member, do being a member, mi being a member, so being a member, and then back to do being a member. So depending on the count and the notes, the duration of the notes, you just fill in the bass lines with the members of that particular chord. So let's say chord 1, you have this, you have this, you have this. So fill in. That is changing. So they say, you know the chord, the family of chord 4, chord. You know the family. So you play and then fill in. You don't have to play any clumsy note. Just fill in with the progressions around. So let's go. I programmed something and would want to use that and then teach you the bass lines. You don't need to disturb or get yourself stranded. Oye, where is Oye? Okay, this is Oye. Let me put the bass line off. Okay, so this is how I programmed the song. Okay. Chord 1, chord 4, chord 5, chord 1. So your touches. I'm not playing anything. This and this and this. So your touches. This is. Your touch is very necessary. So I'm playing just within the range. I'm not playing anything plenty. The working bass. This is the working bass. You know already, but you think when you play it does not sound sweet. But this is the working bass. Like you are walking one step, one step, one step, one step, one step. The working bass. Working bass. Working. Okay, so let's speed up and see the reality of it. sounds like a studio bass line. Most of the times people ask me if I used bass lines for my programming, bass guitar for my programming, but I use just the keyboard, bass lines, and then perform. Yes, so that is that. So if you have any comment, any question, any help, just leave your concern on the comment section and I would respond to that. Thank you very much.